Here's a number pyramid puzzle, and it's a tricky one. So let's take our time. Each cell is built by adding the two cells directly below it. We're told three things. The very top cell is 61. The cell in the center of the middle row is 16. And the 5 numbers along the bottom row add up to 17. The question is, what is the center number of the bottom row? Before I show you anything, pause the video and try it yourself. Here's a hint. Think about how much each bottom number contributes to the cells higher up. Pause now and have a go. Let's name the bottom row V, W, X, Y, and Z, and X is the center we want. Now, if you add your way up the pyramid, what does the very top cell equal in terms of those 5 numbers? Building upward, each bottom number spreads out with these weights, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Those are a row of Pascal's triangle, so the top equals V plus 4W plus 6X plus 4Y plus Z. And the middle cell, by the same building, is W plus 2X plus Y. Now let's turn our 3 facts into 3 equations. The bottom row sum, the middle cell, and the top cell. Pause and write them out. The bottom row gives V plus W plus X plus Y plus Z equals 17. The middle cell gives W plus 2X plus Y equals 16. And the top gives V plus 4, W plus 6, X plus 4, Y plus Z equals 61. Here's the clever part. We have 5 unknowns but only 3 equations and Y, yet we only need X. Can you combine the equations to cancel everything except X? Give it a real try. Start by subtracting equation 1 from equation 3. The V and the Z cancel, leaving 3W plus 5X plus 3Y equals 44. Now multiply equation 2 by 3. That's 3W plus 6X plus 3Y equals 48. Subtract the line above, and the W's and Y's vanish too, leaving just X. X equals 48 minus 44, which is 4. The center of the bottom row is 4. 2 big lessons here. First, those 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 weights are Pascal's triangle. They count the number of paths each bottom number takes climbing to the top. And second, you don't always have to solve for everything. A clever combination can cancel the unknowns you don't care about and hand you the one you do. Brilliant work sticking with it. Learn more at competitivekids.org.